It's so big.
What's going on, YouTube? Hey, we're late to the party, but I want to tell you all Merry Christmas. My boys, I want to show you they got their RC car, and there's their other one they got. Wholesome, 10 scale, Rolalo, 12 scale. And guys, my wife went all out extravagance on me. I'm just astounded. Those are the parts to the 5th scale. I already put a picture up, but she got me, guys, a 30 degree north. Amazing. She got me a camera. She got, I mean, it's not a GoPro, but a camera. She got me a Max 4. I mean, she got me glue. She got me these gloves for my fingers that got lights on the fingers. She got me this amazing monstrosity, guys. In person, this thing is unbelievably huge, y'all. And yeah, I'm just blown away by what she did, guys. I mean, my wife went all out for everybody, man. The kids had a great Christmas. I hope everybody out there did. You tell everybody Merry Christmas, boys.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
All right, y'all. But yeah, amazingly blessed. I couldn't have a better wife, a better family. And I hope you all had a blessed day out there, guys. Sorry I wasn't around more, but we was out enjoying each other's presents and hanging out with family. So this is gonna be a quick one, but hopefully y'all join me for this, man. This thing's gonna be amazing. We're gonna just look how big here. We gotta zoom back because I mean it's so big. Like look at that's a white tape. I mean it's huge, y'all. In person, it's unbelievable. Here, let me just try to show you something here. I don't even know where the body's at. It's back here. Here, let's grab this big old Outcast body. This body's even bigger than the normal Outcast. But look at this. Like, I mean, it's insane. That's an Outcast 8S body. Like, it's insanely big. Here, line this thing up back here. Yeah. So, yeah, just want to touch base. Got an Outcast 8S over here. I'm going to take all my spare parts and build over here too, guys. So, got all the parts because the other one's got all the VITAVON, so I got everything over here. But we're going to build that again, make another Outcast 8S out of it. So, that's what we're up to.
Wait, what?
All these goodies over here. Unreal. Just blessed, y'all. Just unbelievable. All right, y'all. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. We're definitely over here doing something we love. Having a blast. So, I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas. We sure did over here. And, yeah, we're going to get to building that. All right, y'all. Peace out.